everyone. So today is day 2 of our 30 days AWS series, and today I will tell you about AWS Management Console and we will create a free tier account. So first let me tell you what is AWS Management Console. So it is a web-based user interface which we can use to create and manage cloud services on AWS. Each AWS service has its own dashboard on AWS Management Console, and AWS provide a free tier account option. So if you are a beginner and you want to do hands-on practice, you can create this account and there will be no charges for up to 6 months. So now let's go ahead and create a free tier account. As you can see on my screen, I am on the official website where we create a free tier account. So you just click on create a free account and you will redirect it to this sign up page. So here, as you can see, it says no cost for up to 6 months. So for 6 months there will be no charges. So here you have to give your email address and account name and click on verify email address. And here you have to give verification code and click on verify. After verification, you have to set the password. You can give any 8-character password here and then click to continue. And after setting password, here you can see there are two options: free for 6 months and paid. Click on choose free plan. So now here it is asking how do you plan to use AWS. So you should select the personal. You have to give your full name, address and the city, and then click on agree and continue. So now here you have to give the billing information. So for 6 months there will be no charges. In case you use the services even after 6 months, then they will charge you. So here you can select payment method, either UPI or credit debit card. I would recommend to choose credit or debit card, and here you have to give your credit or debit card details. And for the PAN card, you can select no if you don't want to give. If you want to give, you can select yes and give your PAN card number. I will select no. And then click on verify and continue. And after this, you will redirect it to your bank's website for the verification. Now for verification, you will get a code on your registered mobile number, and you have to give that code here, and 2 rupees will be get deducted, and after this your account will be created. So once you have created the account, you just come to this sign in page. I will give you this link as well, and click on sign in using root email. And here you give your email address and click on next, and then give your password and then click on sign in. So I have set the multi-factor authentication for my account, so I will give the code here. And you should also set MFA for your account. It is highly recommended by the AWS. So I have successfully logged into my account. As you can see, this is the home page of AWS Management Console. If you click on this dotted box, so you will see there are options for all application, all services. So if you click on all services, you can see all the services in alphabetical order, like API Gateway, AWS App Mesh, and then AWS Backup, Batch, and here all the category of services. So if I click on compute, so all the compute services will be listing here. And then we have a search bar here. So if you want to go to any services dashboard, you can go directly from here. So let's say I want to go to EC2, so I'll search EC2 and I'll click on this, and it will open a EC2 dashboard. So from here you can launch the instances, and here are the options for instance, and you can see the instances here if you create any, and an instance type AMI. So I will show you how to create instance and other things in my upcoming video, so don't worry about it. Let's search any other service. So I'll search S3. So this is the dashboard for S3 bucket. From here you can create bucket and there are options. And if you want to go to home page, you can directly click on AWS. And if you see here, this is a terminal icon. So if you click here, a cloud shell will open. So AWS also have its CLI, so you can also use their command line to create and manage services. And if you click on setting icon, you can change the visual mode and the languages. So I have selected the English US. You can select any language you want. And here we have a tab to change the region. So as I told in my previous video, AWS has data centers in multiple regions. So you can see all the region: Virginia, Ohio, California, and all other region. So you can select any region you want to create your resources on. I have selected Mumbai region, which is AP South 1. So these are the code for the regions. Then here you have your account number and your account name. If you click on here, you can see remaining credits and remaining days and your account number. And if you click on your account, so you can see all your account information, and here you can see your bills. So if you have a free tier account, there will be no charges. So you can see here there is no amount pending, and there is a payment tab. So here you can see your payment and transaction. So you can see your payment dues and transactions. So far I have not made any transactions, so there is no payment due here. And then we have an option for organizations. If you work in any organization, so you can see all the organization detail here. And if you want to manage your password and account, there is an option for security credential. From here you can manage your password and users. Also you can assign a MFA device from here. You can create access keys and things like that. And also we have a console mobile app. So if you click on that, and you have to scan this QR code and you can download the app in your mobile phone also. So this is all about the AWS Management Console, and I will give you the link of sign up and login page in the description of this video. So you can check it out and go ahead and create your free tier account. If you face any issue while creating the account, you can comment down or you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will surely help you. And if this video was helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.